Good day, my future employer in Hong Kong. By the way, I'm Flora May Habagat, 32 years old, from Philippines. I have three kids, two boys and one girl, and I am a high school graduate. I have 5-year experience taking care newborn in the Philippines, and then I have 6 months experience here in Hong Kong taking care of newborn and also 7 years old kid. My main duties and responsibilities there is to look after the kids, the toddler and the kid, which is feeding them nutritious food, making formula milk for the toddler, changing diapers, shower them, bathing the kid, make sure the important things in the school bag is ready before going to school. And then the kids also, I'm making them always clean. And then I also do household chores just like cleaning, um, car washing car, ironing clothes, and doing laundry. I also do I also cook simple dishes just like stir fry, steam eggs, steam fish, steam and fry vegetables, and then I assure you that I can follow instruction and willing to learn about your Chinese culture and recipes. I hope you will give me a chance to work with you. Thank you and God bless.